Hi, today I'm going to tell you how you can get up and running with AiTrillion in no time. AiTrillion is an easy to use 11-in-1 package that can really increase user engagement for your Shopify store. To get started with AiTrillion, simply log in, go to Module Settings. In the Module Settings tab, turn on or off any module that you desire, and then go to the settings of that module to set it up. For example, I'll set up loyalty rewards being one of the first things I want to use. As soon as I click on loyalty settings, it takes me to the loyalty button, panel, shortcode, and page. The panel tab shows me the introductory and after login pop-ups. And then of course we have the shortcode page, which you can copy and basically integrate it into any one of your Shopify areas. You can also go to the activity rules in the loyalty panel to be able to set it up as per your requirements. So you can offer points for every activity. For example, if you want to offer points for somebody creating an account on your online store, you would offer your choice of points. You would offer your choice of text messages and click on save or update as the case may be. In addition to that, you can offer points for follow on Instagram, purchase codes, so many things. You can also create rewards for points redemption. So anybody who wants to redeem their points can use one of these rewards as an option. In addition to loyalty rewards, you can also set up email marketing as one of the first things to use. You can set up several campaigns, messages. You can set up automated workflows once you have got your messages set up, and you can add or modify templates to your choice. We have a whole bundle of options available for you which you can use and modify to your taste. You can generate discount codes. In addition to that, any website would not be complete without a live chat feature, which AiTrillion offers you as a part of its program. So click on live chat and you can set that up too. If you're confused, if you need any help at any point of time, you can always click on the book a demo option here, and that would help you book a demo. But that would be a simple demo. If you need technical help, you can email support@aitrillion.com, or if you are more of a DIY person, you can go to www.aitrillion.com, and on aitrillion.com, you go to the resources section, which I'll show you in a moment. So you go to the resources section, and in the resources section, you can click on knowledge base. In the knowledge base, we offer to you a whole host of help options. You have the AiTrillion getting started, the loyalty rewards, email marketing. Every help option has been set up in such a way that you can easily click on it. So for example, you're setting up loyalty rewards, you can click on that. You can see a whole database of options, a database of questions and answers here, as well as watch a video. In addition to that, you can go to youtube.com, and in youtube.com just search for AiTrillion, and you have the AiTrillion all-in-one Shopify marketing platform, and you can see all our uploaded videos over there. In addition to all of these resources on the AiTrillion.com website, you also have the videos section. And if all that wasn't enough, we also offer you live chat inside the app as well as on AiTrillion.com. So if you just log into AiTrillion.com, and on the main website, you'll always have this live chat option. So just enter your details and you can chat with us. We are available close to about 14 or 15 hours a day, Monday to Friday, and in emergency situations on a Saturday as well. So get in touch with us if you need any help at all. We'll be happy to help you. Do email support@aitrillion.com if you'd like to take advantage of our free setup plan. Once you have a paid membership to any one of our paid plans, you can take advantage of the free setup by emailing support@aitrillion.com. However, like I said, if you are a DIY person, the videos, the knowledge base, that's quite a lot, as well as the AiTrillion on YouTube. Otherwise, we're always there to help you on live chat anytime, every time. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.